Ang word lang na congratulations, tsaka yung pass lang talaga ang nakita ko nung
Mm.
time na pag unang tingin ko ng message niya.
So worth it lahat ng sacrifice natin, ma'am, no? Imagine you started your application last August 2024 and it takes 7 to 8 months, no, for you to pass
Oo,
the
yun.
NCLEX. And congratulations for that one, ma'am.
Okay.
And we know maraming nurses na ganun din yung situation sa'yo, no? Working din sila, almost walang oras na makapag-review, no? And they don't have the study guide. What are your message and advices to other nurses planning to take the NCLEX, still thinking to start the NCLEX, preparing for their NCLEX? What are your message to them?
Sa nag-iisip na mag-start muna, actually, nung sinasabi nilang, kung kaya naman ngayon, bakit ituloy mo na? So, ganun. So, why not now na? So, start na nila, mag-process na sila, and then yung sa study, ganun din, hindi mo talaga malalaman lahat. Pero kung iintindihin mo rin talaga, ay talagang i-internalize mo talaga. Kasi may time narinig ko na wala na pasok tas lalabas na. So parang kailangan mo talaga i-internalize para malaman mo rin talaga. And then mag-start ka talaga sa pinaka-foundation ng nursing na doon talaga nag-start, malalaman lahat.
Wow. Thank you so much for that message and inspiration, ma'am.